Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert HTML text to plain text in Power Query for Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. Let me add a table visual here. Let me adjust the size of the table. So now I will add all the columns from my data table. This is my data table. So I will say country first, then city and detail. And let me zoom in. Now here in detail column, you can see a lot of HTML tags, P, B, U, etc. So basically I want plain text without HTML tags. To do this, from top menu, go to transform data and transform data. I will go to Power Query Editor. In Power Query Editor, I will go to add column and I will add a custom column here. My column name is description. And here I will write M code. I will copy M code from my notepad and paste here. So HTML.table column name. So my column name will be detail text, comma root. Click OK. So here you can see new column is added, description, and you can see right hand side corner. Just click on the button. And after that, you have to click OK. Now you can see here clean text without HTML tags. Now I will do two things. First, I'll select this column and I will change a data type to text. Okay, and after that, I'll rename this column as about or description. Okay, now let me close and apply. I will copy this table and paste here. And now let me remove detail and add description. Now let me zoom for comparison. So here you can see clean text without HTML tag. That's all for this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.